Congratulations! You've built your business up, you've worked really hard, and now you have to ask yourself, should I stay solo or should I expand and grow? In today's video, we're going to talk about if you should stay solo or you should hire and grow. I'm going to give you the pros and cons so you can decide what's going to be best for you. What is your goal? Is your goal just to make some money? Is your goal to grow and expand and have other people do the work for you? So you have to really consider, what is the goal? Why would you want to grow and expand? Or why would you want to stay solo? What is your goal with your cleaning service? 2, what do you like to do? Personally, for me, I learned after doing all these things that I just really like to clean. If you like to do office and stay in the office, do organization, you like running a business, then growing might be the option for you. If you don't like office stuff and you just really like to clean, then solo may be for you. If you want to expand, the first thing you really need to learn and study is how to hire, because this can make or break you. Even if you want to expand and you're not hiring correctly and training correctly, then none of it's going to work. It's going to be a waste of your time. So if you choose to expand and hire, the most important thing in the whole process is hiring. This was one of the mistakes I made, and I'm definitely going to tell you how to train, how to set up processes and procedures. If you choose to hire, these are the things that you want to learn and get down pat before you even go hire anyone. Don't do like I did and do it by learning on the job. No, learn it and then go practice it. These are very big pitfalls, is who you hire and then how you train them. Make training videos so they can watch the training videos. Personally, where I made a mistake, I hired all the wrong people and it was a big headache for me. But because after doing the process of this, I learned that I just really like to be solo because I like to clean. I think a perfect way to do it is maybe just start out with a team, just like you and somebody else. That way you can train them and you can decide if you want to hire a whole bunch of people or just that one, and start with that one and build a team of efficiency that you can proceed with. Solo worked for me. It's because I like to clean. 2 is I'm pretty control freak. I want it the way I want it. But I found out for me, keeping solo, I learned how to increase my income by keeping my books full and learning to move up, so to speak, in the ladder. And you can start when you're full and people call you, you know that you don't have any room, but a lot of people are telling them about you and they want you. So you learn that you can up your price for cleaning and you will become a higher status cleaner with lots of referrals and references. That way you can be solo and earn more money the higher you rank in, referrals and word of mouth. There's a lot of people that will pay more for a solo cleaner because they want to know who's in their house. They don't trust just a rotating cleaning crew. When you hire a solo cleaner, it's not about the price. It is not about the price. So as a solo cleaner, you are allowed to, you have the opportunity to charge more because they know you, they like you, they trust you, and they're willing to pay more for you to come clean their house. When you hire employees and you start to become a cleaning service with crews, you set yourself up to compete for price. There's a lot of people out there that hire cleaning companies, and a lot of it is about price. Sure, it's about cleaning, but it's about price. And when there's lots of cleaning crews, they're all revolving, lots of cleaning companies, you're competing on price. When you go solo, you're not competing on price. There's a certain niche of people that will only hire a solo cleaner because they got referred, because they know them, they like them, they trust them, they want to know who's in their home, they want to know that you're not letting their cat or dog out. They want to know. And then you also, as a solo cleaner, can customize to their needs. Like, oh, so-and-so's out of town. The husband doesn't want all those pillows on the bed. Things like that. Little things they like. They want the cover all over the chair so the dog doesn't scratch the leather. These are little small things that they'll pay extra for because they know that you're customized to them. They know and like and trust you. I personally like solo cleaning because it's less stress, less hassle. I go into work, I do my job, I come home. It's steady employment, no matter what. Over the 30 years, I have had total steady employment. The economy may go up and down, but I have steady employment. I have people that treat me very well because they know, like, and trust me. I will say this. If you choose to go the solo cleaning route, know that you're only as good as your body. If you get hurt or anything happens, you're probably going to be out of a job. Learn another skill, have a second source of income so you can transfer over to that. And it's always good to have a plan B no matter what industry you're in. Let me know in the comments, are you struggling with this? Did I help? Is there any questions that you need? I'm here to help you, to share my experience so you can learn and grow and have the best life as possible. Happy cleaning. I'm going to ask you to hit the subscribe button. Follow me if you want more cleaning tips, cleaning advice, cleaning business owners, how to get it done so you can go have fun. I really appreciate you watching my video.